Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in BMW X5 remote. Remove the emergency key and pry the fob open with a thin, flat tool, moving slowly around the seam to avoid damage. Set the tiny screws aside and lift the circuit board carefully to reveal the battery. Note the battery type printed on the cell and keep track of orientation before removing it to guarantee a correct replacement and reliable operation. After opening the fob, inspect the battery for its stamped code, which tells you the exact replacement model to buy. Many BMW X5 remotes use CR2450 or CR2032, so confirm the number on your cell before buying replacement batteries. Choose a reputable brand to reduce the chance of early failure and avoid pairing old and new cells to prevent uneven voltage. Keep the orientation noted so the remote works immediately after reassembly. Use plastic tweezers or a fingernail to lift out the old battery carefully, avoiding contact with circuitry. Insert the new battery with the same polarity orientation, ensuring it sits flush in the holder, then reassemble the fob by snapping the halves together firmly. Reinsert the emergency key and test lock, unlock, and trunk functions from a short distance. If buttons respond inconsistently, reopen and confirm the battery seating and contact cleanliness before.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.